Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Audi Q5 air filter. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a T25 Torx screwdriver and, of course, a new air filter designed for your Q5 model. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin. Having a clean cloth nearby is also helpful for tidying up any dust or leaves you might encounter during the process. This simple preparation ensures a smooth replacement. Next, locate the air filter housing. In most Audi Q5 models, it's situated on the passenger side of the engine bay, a large black box. Using your T25 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove all the screws securing the housing cover. There are usually several of them around the perimeter. Once all screws are out, gently lift the top cover of the housing. It might be a snug fit, so take your time and avoid forcing it. Now, with the housing open, you can see the old air filter. Carefully pull it straight out of its compartment. Take a moment to observe how the old filter was oriented. This is crucial for installing the new one correctly. Then, take your new air filter and gently slide it into place. Make sure it sits flush and securely within the housing, with no gaps around the edges. This ensures proper air filtration. Finally, it's time to secure everything. Carefully place the top cover back onto the air filter housing, aligning it properly. Reinsert all the T25 Torx screws you removed earlier. Tighten them firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the plastic threads. Give everything a quick visual check to ensure all connections are secure and the housing is properly sealed. You've successfully changed your Audi Q5 air filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.